Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Cyclamen. Full name Cyclamen Europaeum. Common name not available. Short name Cyclamen. Source water plant. There is a type of plant available in the particular plant develops within water. Pathogenesis affects digestive tract, female sexual organ, etc. Also produces vertigo and menstrual disorders. Anaemic persons, disinclined to work, fatigue easily, dreads open air, passive pains in thinly covered bones, bad effects of inward grief and terror of conscience. Relation with heat and cold of cyclamen, chilly patient. Constitution of cyclamen, it is not known or it is not available in any type of book, standard book. Temperament of cyclamen, also not available in any book. Mechanisms of cyclamen, Shura. Diathesis cyclamen, it is also not named. On the right hand side, the picture of the water plant has been shown. Words: cold, evening, sitting, standing, fats, fresh air, better, promotion, during menses, rubbing, warm room, from lemonade, weeping, bathing the part, that is washing the part. Mental symptoms of cyclamen: dull, sleepy, morose. Look at the morose girl. Morose, joyous feeling alternating with irritability, self-reproaches, sadness as if he had committed bad act or not done his duty, silent weeping, room feels too short, hallucination as if two persons were lying in her bed, tearful and broods over imaginary grief, thinks she is alone and persecuted. Head symptom of cyclamen: vertigo, objects turn in circles or look pale, worse in open air, better in a room and while sitting, brain as if wrapped up. Male symptoms of cyclamen: atonic nightly emissions after caution, gonorrhea, balanitis with edema of prepuce, prostate enlarged and senile, dropsical swelling of genitals, testicle swollen, hydrocele. Hydrocele is accumulation of water within testis, profuse thick yellow white gonorrheal discharge, early morning erections, amorous desire without ability, as if something running out in urethra, that is along the urethra after emission of actually sperm. Female symptoms of cyclamen: labor like pain in the abdomen and back before menses, vicarious menses from lungs. Vicarious menses, when menses doesn't come, do not come from its original passage of, say, uterus or vagina, and in exchange of that it comes from elsewhere. That is a lady, his period has come according to her own account, but he certainly knows, feel that the bleeding is not coming from uterus, it is rather coming from nose, continuous bleeding. That is vicarious menstruation. From nose means it may be lung, so vicarious menstruation. Menstruation is not coming from original site, it is coming from other orifice of the body. Respiratory symptoms of cyclamen: desire to take deep breath with dyspnea, breathing slow, worse from talking, walking, drinking cold things. Cough causes pain in shoulders and arms or sore raw feeling in the chest. Expectoration sweet like boiled starch mixed with bloody mucus. hemoptysis, with weak heart, or from chronic bronchitis before menses. Senile pneumonia cannot expectorate without vomiting, great weakness in chest, cannot bear to talk, suffocates when dropped to sleep, so fear of suffocation, cough from depressed menses. Heart symptoms of cyclamen. Heart weak, feels like stopping if he moved, must hold breath and keep still. Least movement causes palpitation. Frequent stitches in heart. Angina pectoris. Angina pectoris is severe pain felt in the region of heart, pericardium region, and it is actually precursor of the heart attack. This is a very serious type of disease. It should be attended immediately, and care should be taken so that this heart attack doesn't occur. Attacks of angina worse, raising hand, heart tired after sprains, dilated heart, hypertrophy with dilatations. Hypertrophy, dilatations, everything means dilated heart, but there are fine differences that is beyond scope of the discussion here. Cardiac dropsy, palpitation with depression from grief, pulse slow, weak, irregular, intermittent. Extremities symptoms of cyclamen: numbness, heaviness or paralytic weakness, worse in the left arm. Fingers become numb easily and frequently. Fingers swell at night. Coldness of feet and hands and feet. Sensation in the legs as if red hot were suddenly darted through them. Nails blue, one hand red, one hand hot and the other cold. Skin symptoms of cyclamen: skin bluish, dropsical swelling of the skin. Cold, measly appearance or eruptions on back and creeping all over. Sleep symptoms of cyclamen: starts from sleep in alarm, thinks that he is falling from a height in a dream, drowsy. Fever symptoms of cyclamen: flashes of heat, then great nervousness at climacteric period. Climacteric period means this is related to the ladies at the age of 43 or 42. The periods terminates permanently. That period is called climacteric period. There are so many symptoms appear during that period. Here the great nervous weakness, climacteric period, can be attended by cyclamen. Flashes of heat also. Chilliness and shivering of the whole body. Cold, clammy sweat. Related medicines are glonoine and spigelia.